Introducing the Gann Hydromette BL H moisture meter. Made in Germany and featuring a built-in selectable wood species menu and automatic temperature correction, this professional-resistant pin-type timber meter kit is specially designed to take accurate moisture measurements of various timber species. This video is designed as a simple step-by-step guide for the basic operation and connection of the Gann BL H and its components. This professional moisture meter kit consists of the BL H moisture meter, the M18 heavy-duty sliding hammer with insulated probes, connecting cable, operating instructions, and the timber reference book, which lists over 300 different types of wood species. It is important to note that the Teflon insulation on these probes is designed to reduce the influence that timber treatments, such as boron, has on pin-type moisture meters. All this makes the BL H40 the perfect moisture meter for measuring moisture in timber framing during new construction, remedial work, and timber storage yards. The BL H40 has a clear, easy-to-read LCD screen. It has 3 small function buttons, each with an icon above, to indicate the function, and 1 large measurement button identified with the letter M in the middle. To turn on the BL H40, press the middle of the small function buttons indicated by the power icon. The meter powers on and displays the last known measurement value and programmed settings. The BL H40 has a 4-line LCD display. At the top, the min and max symbols appear. The second line is the most important value for the BL H40, the moisture percentage reading. Note, if the reading is too high, the symbol HI will flash intermittently. The third line indicates the meter's preset temperature. In accordance with testing standards and guidelines, this is recommended to be set at 20 degrees Celsius. The bottom line indicates the wood species icon and selected species number. As the majority of timber used in New Zealand is radiata pine, the species number should be set to 3. The small function buttons either side of the power button scroll either up or down. The menu in order, if scrolling down from the main start menu, is the wood classification selection, temperature compensation setting, reset option for the saved maximum reading, reset option for the saved minimum reading, and push again to recall the last 5 measurements. If you must change the wood species and automatic temperature correction, please consult the operating instructions to perform this. To connect the hammer electrode, attach one end of the cable to the top of the moisture meter and the other end to the hammerhead assembly. The BL H40 is now ready for use. If you have the optional and recommended Gann test calibration block, take a sample reading prior to any measurement to confirm the meter's accuracy. To measure the timber's moisture, hold the BL H40 with one hand and use the sliding hammer probe with the other hand. The hammer probe's sliding back and forth operation is designed to drive the hardened steel probes into the timber, typically to a depth of 1/3 of the timber's thickness, with the pins in line with the wood grain. When selecting where on the timber to take a measurement, it is recommended to take readings at least 500 mm from the end of the timber, on the unexposed face of the timber, avoiding knots. Note, do not leave the hammer electrode in the wood hanging by its own weight. This can damage or break the pins. To take a reading, press and hold the large measurement button for approximately 3 seconds, then release. The current moisture measurement value is displayed. Note, if no button is pressed within 40 seconds, the BL H40 switches off automatically to save battery power. The current value is retained and displayed when the meter is turned back on. To remove the hammer electrode, repeat the sliding back and forth operation to drive the pins out. To turn the BL H40 off, hold down the power button, disconnect all components, and return them to their storage positioning within the transport case. To learn more about the BL H40 capabilities, Please refer to the supplied operating instructions for more detailed and advanced programming and configuration. To learn more about the full range of Gann moisture and humidity solutions, visit the Accurate Showroom and Service Centre in Auckland or Christchurch, or contact us on 0800 500 380.